How to use both the law of attraction and shadow work for personal mastery. There is a constant struggle within certain spheres between positivity and shadow work. The positive psychology advocates argue that if you focus on what you do not want, it will persist. The shadow side, and the Jungian argument, is that we must delve deep into our psyche and observe what we find. The truth is that we need to use both of these strategies to succeed, though they might appear at odds with one another. How to balance two opposite ideologies. Many people who have tried the law of attraction find that there are recurring issues that keep cropping up, and they have also discovered that sitting with these issues and integrating them is the only thing that dissolves them fully. This goes right against the law of attraction, where we only focus on what we want at all times. When we focus on what feels good, we tend to attract more of it, and the positivity gains momentum. This has been repeated in many observational studies, where people who are actively practicing positive psychology tend to have more success, better finances, better interpersonal relationships, better health markets, increased emotional intelligence, and greater cognitive capacity. What to do? It goes without saying that we need to be positive and keep a bright outlook on life. This can include anything from affirmations to keeping a journal of things that we appreciate. This works to a large degree and will help our lives far better across many different vectors. Yet at the same time, we cannot afford to repress deep and hurtful energies that are within us. These negative emotions have to be expressed one way or the other. When these deeply buried emotions reveal themselves, it can be overwhelming and you may break down. But this is a necessary part of the healing process. When an emotion starts to come up, the last thing you want to do is ignore it by busying yourself with another activity. The most effective strategy is to meditate and effectively integrate this energy, meeting it directly. So try to keep a positive orientation as much as possible, using the best positive psychology practices. At the same time, acknowledge and integrate deep emotions as they arise, and engage in techniques to bring deep issues to your conscious awareness. There is nothing stopping you from engaging in both positive psychology and shadow work. You will be far stronger doing both as opposed to doing one.